Oh, hi there. Welcome to our channel, and today we're going to talk about interior designs. So come and follow me to meet one of our designer and ask him for his favorite design.
So hi, my name is Aizat, so one of the interior designer in Cantik Wall. So today we're gonna talk about my top 3 design of kitchen. So the first one is the concept is Scandinavian. So basically when we talk about the Scandinavian concept, so it's similar to minimalist actually, but there is a slightly difference between these two concepts. As you can see, so basically the Scandinavian is a mixture of something yang kita akan cakap sebagai soft. So we combine all the soft materials, so white color, the wooden texture, so all the cabinetry, all the layouts. You can see the door, we color is the white, and then we mix a little bit with soft color of the wood. So also customer they request to have a bright color, not bright color, soft color. For the flooring we use the SPC as the same color as the laminate at the kitchen cabinets. And then the unique things about this design is, as you can see here, there is a island at the center of the kitchen, so you can see, and then all the colors. So how that we blend the color, the material that we use, the SPC, quartz, and then the backsplash, and then the laminates. So the combination of the colors creates something that calm, so inviting people. As you guys can see there from the kitchens, so the square feet for the kitchen is quite small. Client wanted our designer to create, to utilize all the space at the same time to make it functional as well. Alright, the top 2 of my favorite design is the monochrome concept. So basically when we talk about monochrome, so simple, just black and white. So this customer is kind of unique, so they only wanted the black colors and white colors, and also the grey lah, so no other colors. Our designer include the reeded panel. Basically the reeded panel is something that MDF materials with the texture, the curvy texture actually. The intention that for this design, they create a simple design, and then when they put the reeded panel, the kitchen become like more longer like that. If we compare from the previous design, so this design, the kitchen is quite small. So our designer, they have to think how to create the illusion to make it the kitchen become big. So when they have a small space for the kitchen, and then they want the dark color, so it will make the kitchen become like slightly small actually. So the good thing is how every door, so the kitchen, this door, and then you can see the tiles of the color of the tiles, so the mixture creates the kitchen become like it's have a clean look, but at the same time it's giving back to serve the same look as what the concept says. So the monochrome series. So this is the last one, my top one, which is the modern contemporary. So the customer, they wanted to have this modern contemporary to design. So the island, so the quartz, the backsplash, and also we design well in terms of the cabinetry itself. The material for this kitchen that we use, we propose is the MDF. So you can see the shaker style, and then how we play around with the color, and then how to create something that have a not like more to the luxury looks, something like more to modern, and then at the same time it looks contemporary. The flooring that we use is the SPC. So how we combine all the colors, the materials, and then the wood texture at the floor. Okay, I think we're done with my top 3 design, my favorite design of the kitchen. So that is from my side. So what is about your side? So do comment which kitchen is your favorites, and then if you have any comments you want to share your thought, so do comments also. I think that's all for today. Thank you, bye.